Hey friends, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. So if you've been watching our videos, we say thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Like, share with your family and friends, and tell us what you think in the comment section. Today we are making kelewele. Kelewele is spiced fried plantains. It's a street food in Ghana loved by many. For this recipe, we're going to use this ripe plantains. All right. If you normally wash your plantains, go ahead and wash it and cut it to whatever size you prefer. Also, friends, for this recipe, we're going to be using ginger, Guinea pepper, chili pepper to give it that hot kick, and then some cloves. Now, if you do not like spicy stuff, you can omit the pepper and use just a little bit of ginger for flavor and the other spices, and not forgetting some salt to taste. At this point, friends, we're going to blend all these ingredients together and get started. At this point, you're going to go ahead and pour the blended mixture on the plantains. Add some salt to it and mix everything together. We're going to leave this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just to make sure our spices are in there. They're married together, right? I find this very effective. In a heated pan, you want to go ahead and add some oil. After you've poured your plantains in the oil, give it some few minutes before you start stirring, or else it's going to break apart. Okay, so just give it some few minutes before you start stirring it. And you want to use not too high, not too low heat as well. If it's too high, it will burn. If it's too low, it's going to soak the oil. So it has to be in between. At this point, you want to go ahead and gently stir. kelewele is ready. Normally you would eat kelewele with peanuts, right? But you just want to twist it sometimes, all right? So today I'm eating mine with dried cranberries and pistachios. So thank you so much for watching. God bless. Share, subscribe. Till then, bye.